Hello, welcome. You're watching our special broadcast. I'm Dipali Patel. It's time for us to now unleash the animal, the biggest film of 2023. As you can see, I'm holding this skull mask used in Ranbir Kapoor's Tara. India today has got exclusive access to this interesting piece, which is pivotal to the narrative of Sandeep Reddy Vanga directorial. In the next 30 minutes, we are going to bring you a lowdown on this gangster drama. But let's first begin with the highlights of the pre-release event, which was held in Hyderabad in the presence of the stellar cast along with Mahesh Babu, filmmaker S.S. Rajamouli. Take a look. Ranbir Kapoor's Tara Animal surely gripped every cinephile's attention from the very onset. And Sandeep Reddy Vanga made sure that his directorial reached every corner of the country and even abroad. With that, days ahead of Animal's release, the entire team of his gangster drama flew down to Hyderabad as they hosted a pre-release event at Malla Reddy University on November 27th. Ranbir Kapoor, Anil Kapoor, Bobby Deol, Rashmika Mandanna, along with filmmaker Sandeep Reddy Vanga, addressed the cheering crowd gathered to get a glimpse of their favorite stars and to witness the grand event of one of the highly anticipated films of 2023.
आज के बाद एक खरोच भी आई, दुनिया जला दूंगा बाबा.
In fact, what made this night even more starry was Mahesh Babu's presence as he joined Team Animal in their last leg of promotions. Needless to say, the crowd went gaga. The stage was graced with the presence of superstar of superstars as Mahesh Babu made his grand entry. He also ensured he made the most of his presence at the event by praising Ranbir, as he believed the latter is the best actor in India.
నేను రణబీర్కి చాలా పెద్ద ఫ్యాన్ని. I've told him this before also when I met him, but I don't think he took me seriously. So today on this stage, I'm saying that I'm a huge Ranbir Kapoor fan. And in my opinion, I think he's the best actor in India. And I have a feeling, Ranbir, Animal is your best work till date. Congratulations, my brother, and big, big success to you.
Ranbir, who is a fan of Mahesh Babu himself, reciprocated the gesture as he shared anecdotes from his first meeting with Gantur Kararam actor.
जय बाबू, जय बाबू. The first superstar I ever met was Mahesh Babu. I had seen Okudu, and I messaged Mahesh Babu sir, and he also replied to me. And I can't thank you enough, sir, that you came today. You supported our movie. Mahesh Babu song, I want Ranbir.
Taking the night forward were also Anil Kapoor and Bobby Deol, who not only addressed the crowd but also invited Mahesh Babu and Ranbir on stage for a dance.
Please come.
Ranbir sir and Mahesh sir will
Please
be...
come here. You can't say no to me. I'm senior to you. You can't say no. Ranbir, you can't say no to me. Come on. It's an honor.
Interestingly, Anil Kapoor, who is known for his larger gestures, also tried speaking in Telugu for the audience.
నా debut film was in Telugu in 1980. Vamsuraksham, Babu Saab, the great Babu Saab. మళ్ళీ ఇప్పుడు వచ్చా నీ ముందుకి లేట్గా వచ్చిన లేటెస్ట్గా వచ్చా ఇది చాలా స్పెషల్ ఫీలింగ్ నాకు
सब मेरे दोस्त सारे बॉम्बे गए थे
However, the fun quotient leveled up as Ranbir Kapoor and Sandeep Reddy Vanga enacted one of the scenes from the trailer, but with a twist.
एक्शन
पापा पापा पापा
चिल्लाओ मत बहरा नहीं हूं मैं
एक्शन पापा पापा
పాపా
सुनाई दे रहा है बेरा नहीं हूं मैं
माथे से लगा लूं हाथ छू के मैं
What's more, from one great filmmaker to another who's undoubtedly the master of filmmaking, S.S. Rajamouli, yes, he too had attended the event, and while he praised Sandeep Reddy Vanga and his work, he surely had Ranbir in a tough spot as he made the actor pick between him and his current director.
Only one chance. You have only one chance. So, would you select a film
I
with
have
me
to-
or Sandeep Reddy Vanga?
I am
Don't
going to-
lie.
I am going to be a loyal actor and I will have to choose Sandeep Reddy Vanga right now, sir.
Fantastic.
आज के बाद एक खरोच भी आई दुनिया जला दूंगा पापा
Well, that was all in a light-hearted mood. Rajamouli even praised Ranbir Kapoor as he also went on to say that he is his favorite actor.
And Ranbir is such an intense actor. నేను చాలా సార్లు చెప్పాను మీ ఫేవరెట్ యాక్టర్ బాలీవుడ్లో ఎవరు బాలీవుడ్లో ఎవరు అని చాలా సార్లు అడుగుతుంటే వితౌట్ హెసిటేషన్ ఐ టెల్ మై ఫేవరెట్ యాక్టర్ ఈజ్ రణబీర్ కపూర్
शहर तेरे जो फिर संग लागे रखते वो हमको
Rashmika, meanwhile, also made her presence felt in a yellow sari.
ले जा तू कसमें लगा के
To raise the spirit of the team and the crowd, T-Series head honcho Bhushan Kumar also joined the star-studded promotional night.
It's you have to see to believe it. And secondly, I want to thank Mahesh Babu Garu, Rajamouli sir, and to grace this occasion, and they have come all the way to wish us. So thank you very much.
Well, with packed crowd and lots of cheering, appreciation and anticipation, Animal looks like is already a winner.
रोब जाते भी थल्ले रखदा पुलिस सरकारी अर्जन वैली
With Gyanisha Malik, Entertainment Bureau, India Today.
अर्जन वैली ने हो पैर जोड़ के गनासी मारी
In a whirlwind tour from Delhi to Dubai, Animal's star-studded team, including Ranbir Kapoor, Bobby Deol, Anil Kapoor and Rashmika Mandanna, captivated cities. Dubai sparkled as Burj Khalifa lit up with the teaser, whereas Mumbai's music launch sizzled with Ranbir and Bobby's iconic moves, setting the dance floor ablaze. Check this report out.
हो खाड़े विच डांग खड़ के जक्को हो खाड़े विच डांग खड़ के ओ ते हो गई लड़ाई भारी अर्जन वैली ने हो अर्जन वैली ने हो पैर जोड़ के गनासी मारी
From the bustling streets of Delhi to the vibrant vibes of Chennai and even the glitzy glamour of Dubai, Team Animal ensured they left no stone unturned while making stops across the map to promote the film starring Ranbir Kapoor, Bobby Deol, Anil Kapoor and Rashmika Mandanna. The Bangalore chapter turned out to be a glam fest, with Rashmika Mandanna stealing the spotlight in a meticulously embroidered pink sari. Ranbir also stepped up his game, delighting fans by taking a shot at speaking Kannada upon their request.
ಅಪ್ಪ ನೀನಂದರೆ ನನಗೆ ಪಂಚಪ್ರಾಣ And one more sentence because this is November and we celebrate Kannada Rajyotsava the whole month. Kannada Rajyotsavada ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು
While Dubai was under the spell of Team Animal with digital billboards flashing posters across the city, the real spectacle was this moment when the teaser lit up the iconic Burj Khalifa. Mumbai was no different as Ranbir and Bobby turned heads even in their home city during the Animal music launch event. Viral videos captured Ranbir grooving to Bobby Deol's hits, and the duo ensured they set the dance floor on fire with their moves on the iconic song Duniya Haseenon Ka Mela. Animal has been directed by Sandeep Reddy Vanga, who is known for delivering critically acclaimed film Kabir Singh. The movie marks the first collaboration between Vanga and Ranbir Kapoor, with Anil Kapoor portraying the pivotal role of Balbir Singh, Ranbir's father. But wait, there's more. Rashmika essays the role of Gitanjali, Ranbir's better half.
She died that day.
And the villain? Bobby Deol enters the frame in a menacing avatar that's sure to send shivers down your spine. So yes, get up as the clock ticks down to December 1st, with Sandeep Reddy Vanga's Animal promising a roller coaster of emotions, action and lots of glitz and drama.
अब कटमा है पापा को छोटे बाल वाला हेयर स्टाइल पसंद है ना
आज है कट पर तुम लंबे बालों में भी अच्छे लगते हो
I'll grow it again पापा
Entertainment Bureau, India Today.
गोली चलाई बलबीर सिंह पर गोली चलाई मैं वादा करता हूं अपने हाथ से गला काटूंगा
The Animal trailer hits like a cinematic tsunami, grabbing attention from the outset. A ballistic ride, this gripping gangster drama tightens its grip on emotions, unraveling the intricate father-son dynamic. Here's our detailed report.
मैं पापा और आप बेटा आपको याद है 5th स्टैंडर्ड में था और माइकल जैक्सन का कॉन्सर्ट हो रहा था बॉम्बे में यू न्यू व्हाट अ बिग फैन आई वाज ऑफ माइकल जैक्सन मेरे सारे दोस्त जा रहे थे पर मैं नहीं गया क्योंकि आपका बर्थडे था उसी दिन को रिप्ले करते कुछ नहीं करना
The Animal trailer, it's not just a winner, it's a full-blown cinematic tsunami that will have you on the edge of your seat.
एक्शन पापा
पापा पापा पापा
सुनाई दे रहा है बेरा नहीं हूं मैं
From the very outset, the trailer seizes your attention.
He adores you. तुम उसके लिए superhero हो.
It's ballistic and will drive you insane.
अपने बेटे को.
अब कटमा है पापा को छोटे बाल वाला हेयर स्टाइल पसंद है ना
आज है कट पर तुम लंबे बालों में भी अच्छे लगते हो
I'll grow it again पापा
It's like a roller coaster ride, tightening its grip on your emotions.
पर तूने जंग शुरू कर दी
The film delves into the intricacies of the father-son dynamic, constructing the very foundation that will undoubtedly make Animal the talk of the town.
दुनिया में सबसे फर्स्ट है
मैंने बोला था ना ज्योति क्रिमिनल है हमारा बेटा
The teaser of Animal was unveiled by the filmmakers on Ranbir Kapoor's birthday in September, where they teased us with a snippet of this gripping crime thriller.
यार.
Fans were hooked and curiosity hit the roof.
She died that day.
मैं वापस आ गया दादाजी कहीं जाऊंगा
Directed by Sandeep Reddy Vanga, known for the critically acclaimed Kabir Singh, Animal marks the first collaboration between Vanga and Ranbir Kapoor,
अपने हाथ से गला काटूंगा
with Anil Kapoor portraying the pivotal role of Balbir Singh, Ranbir's father.
ये सब प्लान करने से पहले मुझसे पूछा होता
अब से 100 चीजें करूंगा पापा हर बार आपकी परमिशन नहीं दे सकता
But wait, there's more.
तारा तेरा एक तारा मेरा बाकी अंधेरा आसमां न तेरे संग लागे बांधे जो पीपल पे धागे
Rashmika is in the mix, essaying the role of Gitanjali, Ranbir's better half.
Fighting ghosts in your head. Do you even realize that?
मैं घोष से लड़ता नहीं उन्हें कहा जाता हूं
And the villain, enter Bobby Deol, decked out in a menacing avatar, that's sure to send shivers down your spine. Adding more to it, the recently unveiled song Arjun Veli garnered immense love from fans, preceding earlier releases like Hua Main, Satranga and Papa Meri Jaan. As the anticipation builds, mark your calendars as Sandeep Reddy Vanga's Animal is all set to hit the theatres on December 1st. Entertainment Bureau, India Today.
Well, it's time for us to unleash my inner animal with this skull mask. I'm going to join this army while you all buckle up for this year's biggest release, that is Animal. On the count of 3, 2, 1.
Arjun Veli